A push or a pull, acting on a body is called force. It is a vector quantity, that is, it has both magnitude and direction. We can use a vector notation for representation of force in 3-dimension. Please note that Fx, Fy and Fz represent the x, y and z components of the force F. The force that moves a 1 kg mass with the acceleration of 1 meter per second will be equal to 1 Newton. Newton's first law. This law says that neither a stationary body will move, nor a moving body will stop, until an external force is applied. This tendency is called inertia. Newton's second law. This law says that the force required to move a body, with a certain acceleration, is equal to the product of that acceleration and mass of the body. This gives us the formula, F is equal to m, into a. Newton's third law of motion says that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. For example, in this case, Blueberry is applying downward gravitational force on a paper towel, and paper towel is applying upward normal force equal to that gravitational force. Let's look at it in greater detail with what is called a free body diagram. On this body, which is kept on a desk, a downward gravitational force is applied and the reaction of this force is applied by the desk on the body, called normal force. The F net or sum of these forces will be equal to 0, because these forces are acting in the opposite direction and have equal magnitude. Even if we remove the desk and hang this block by a rope, the net force will still be 0. Since the block still has 0 acceleration. Just that the normal force has been replaced by a tension force, acted by the rope, which has the same magnitude as the gravitational force. Let us look at this lift and pulley system. Let's say mass of lift is 1000 kilograms and there is a counterweight of mass of 850 kilograms on the other side. On the lift, a force of 9,810 Newton will be applied due to gravitation in the downward direction, and force of tension from rope will be applied in the upward direction. Here is the equation for net force acting on the lift. This tension force is actually pulling the counterweight mass. Here is its equation. Now, writing these two equations together and solving for A, will give us the value of acceleration. To better prepare for SAT, Physics Olympiads and Grade 11 exam, you can buy our Kindle version of Mechanics book from the first link given in the description.